Backing pads with sanding discs are the unsung champions of surface preparation, bridging the gap between power tools and precision finishes. These essential components are carefully engineered to absorb vibration, distribute pressure evenly, and maintain consistent contact with the work surface, whether it's wood, metal, plastic, or fiberglass. A high-quality backing pad offers the perfect amount of flexibility and firmness, allowing it to conform to curves and corners while still delivering the solid support needed for aggressive sanding. Paired with high-performance sanding discs, they become a dynamic duo capable of tackling everything from heavy material removal to ultra-fine polishing. Whether you're restoring antique furniture, prepping automotive panels, or finishing cabinetry, the right backing pad and disc combination ensures your sanding job is smoother, faster, and more controlled from start to finish. Modern sanding systems rely on backing pads not just as a mounting platform, but as active performance tools designed to optimize speed, accuracy, and comfort. Many are equipped with hook and loop, Velcro style, attachments for quick disc changes, heat-resistant construction for prolonged use, and shock-absorbing cores to reduce operator fatigue. They come in a variety of densities, shapes, and sizes to match orbital sanders, rotary tools, or angle grinders, each tailored for specific sanding goals like aggressive stock removal or fine finishing. When combined with high-quality abrasive discs, they allow users to achieve professional-grade results with minimal effort, ensuring even sanding across large panels and consistent edgework along fine details. Simply put, a well-matched backing pad and disc setup is more than a tool accessory, it's a key to efficiency, surface integrity, and craftsmanship at every stage of your project.